Even all doors locked properly. The dash says open the door still. Yeah, this door left rear, his door is properly rocking or not. And I'm showing this normally and common problems for the F-150s. Rear door wire harness is broken. Is here. I had already replaced the right hand side door harness is here, and then usually is door open and close, so it's repeating fatigue, so it's broken the neck of the connector area. So I'm showing that this area is broken easily. So I got a new wire is here, left hand back side. So you need to remove the top cover portion, door trim cover, and one screw is here, and then two screws on the bottom door trim area. So now remove the door inner handle cover and try to remove the door panel first. Gently using the J hookup tool, and it pops out, and I take it out, and you can see the 1 8mm screw and bolt is here, and a loose, and other door panel 7 or 6mm screw, one and the two bottom is more. Now you need to remove take out the door power window glass switch, and gently fail up using the flat screwdriver, and it pops out, and I disconnect to the connector. Yeah, once remove the old screw and connector, and then just gently lift it off the door panel, and then pull your body side, and then you can see the door inner handle latch cable. You're using the long rod plier and squeeze in or pinched in to rocking tab, and then pull the back cable and then slide out latch cable. Now detach the power window switch glass wire from the door panel, and then remove the vinyl dust cover. Now need to disconnect the main door wire from the cabin main wire. Just gently push it both sides, connect the case, black case, and pull the back. You can see the whole wire comes out, and then one rocking white tab is here, and push down, and then disconnect from the main wire. Once disconnected the door wire from the main cabin wire, you detach the whole retainer clip from the door panel. Yeah, there are last retainer clip attached to the door panel, and the door latch and power window switch, and then behind the door speaker, and then the door panel. Now remove the window switch wire and then speaker, and the power window connector, and then further inside the door latch connector. And then you disconnect the pops out like this, door insulator, rubber insulator from the door panel, and then slide, pull the wire, whole wire assembly through the door wire hole. Gently pull it like this, and then take out the whole wire assembly from the door. It's not that hard, it's so easy. So I got new wires here, and then when you start in to the end of the connector and it goes through to the door wire, the back of the remover procedure, and then making sure the all connection is secured, and then we'll also put the back to the attach the wire to the own retainer place, and then connect the wire to the main cabin wire, and then until the clicking sound, and then line up the black case and just boost into the click sound. Put the back to the door or vinyl dust cover and then lead out the door window wire on it like this. And then now you need to put the back to the door panel and then put on the door panel secure for onto the door panel, and the door wire goes into the window switch hole, and then you need to put the back to the latch wire connected again like this, and then slide in, line up the door or latch rod, and then slide into the door panel like this, and then screw to tighten the whole nut. It's not that hard. It's a normal door Ajar Light On. Thank you for watching.